everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to play a game called Word-O. So it's kind of like bingo, but with our words. So I need everyone to get a piece of paper and a pencil. Pause the video and then come back when you're ready and press play. Okay, so first I'm going to show you how to make our Word-O grid. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw two lines across the page. So 1, 2, and make sure that they're spaced out because we have to write words in these boxes. So don't make them too small, okay? Space them out. Then you're going to draw two lines down the paper. And same thing, remember, don't draw them too close together because you won't be able to write the words. Alright, so my lines aren't very straight as you can see, so if yours aren't straight, that's okay, as long as you have enough space to write the words. Okay, if you're not quite done, pause the video and press play whenever you're ready. Alright, so I'm going to call out some of our words so that we can write them in our cards. So, and you can put these words wherever you want. So, if I write it here, you can still write it in this page, and your friend can still write it in this box, right? We don't have to put them in the same place, okay? So our first word is I. I'm going to write my I right here. Pause if you need some extra time. Our next word is good. I'm going to write my good right here. Okay, remember you can still put your good over here or your good down here. Put it wherever you want. The next word I'm going to write is had. I'm going to put mine right in the middle. Remember, you can put yours wherever you want. Remember, pause the video if you need some extra time, too. Here are the rest of the words that you can use to fill in your Word-O grid. So, there are too many cards to use all of them, so you need to pick 6 more words to put in your grid. That means 2 words will get left out. Pause your video and play it whenever you're done filling in your grid. Now I'm going to start calling off words. So this is just an example. Don't mark on your Word-O grid yet. So if I say the word I. So I have the letter I here. I'm going to mark it off. Or if you have a marker, maybe a sticky note or something, you can just cover it up. Up to you, as long as you know that I've already called that one. Because remember, in bingo, you're trying to get 3 in a row. So we maybe want 3 this way, 3 this way, 3 sideways. All right, so I'm going to start calling off words. The first word is an. If you have the word an on your Word-O game, mark it off. The word an looks like this. Pause the video if you need more time. The second word is first. Mark the word first if it's on your Word-O card. Here's what it looks like. First. All right, the next word is can. Mark off can if it's on your Word-O board. This is what it looks like. Can. The next word is he. Mark off he if it's on your Word-O board. It looks like this. He. All right, the next word is was. If was is on your Word-O board, mark it off. It looks like this. Was. Good job, guys. Remember to pause if you need more time. The next word is man. If you have man on your bingo card, mark it off. It looks like this. Man. All right, the next word is my. Mark off my if it's on your Wordo board. This is what it looks like. Good. The next word is a. Mark off the word a if it's on your board. It looks like this, just like the letter A. The next word is had. If you have had on your board, mark it off. It looks like this. Remember, guys, pause if you need more time. All right, the next word is I. Mark off the word I if it's on your board. It looks like this, just like the letter. All right, and our last word is good. Mark off the word good if it's on your board. It looks like this. Good job, guys. So hopefully your grid is completely marked off because I called off all the words. So if you want to play again, I would redraw your grid, right? Write your words in a different order on your board and then replay this video as I call out words and you can mark off the new words. All right, thanks for listening. I hope y'all have fun playing with someone you live with or maybe a friend or a sibling. Have fun.